Pull, pull it. You're the third generation. I thought you guys would like to rub your beaks against it, but it's a crow pull toy. I know. I know you gotta pull it. You have to pull it off. You've got the farthest. He's so happy. He's like, look, I got it. What are you gonna do with it? All right. He wants it so badly. What are you going to do with that once you get it? What are you going to do with it? I know, but what are you going to do with it? Here, take this one. It's right there. You can have it. It's already off. It's not about it, it's about the ripping it off, isn't it? Go ahead. What a crazy bird.